Hi
Hi
friends,
friends.
welcome to our channel K2N Family.
Today we are here to do a great announcement. As most of you guys know us as K2N family, but many of us ask us what does K2N mean?
So K2N Family came from our own names. My name is Kashley, which stands for K. My daughter, Caitlin. 2 is a very lucky number for us. And N stands for my beautiful wife, Nadia. So this is how we got this name K2N Family. So friends, we feel very proud to share this joyful moment with you. Sharing this moment means a lot to us. Since you guys know that it's been 4 months that we started with this YouTube channel, with all your blessing and all your love, we have our first 1000 plus subscribers. And it's been so much wonderful journey, and this was all possible because of you guys. And thank you all for these 1000 subscribers. Say cheese. Thank you very much.
For some YouTubers, 1000 is a small number. But for us, achieving this in 4 months is a big achievement.
So friends, thank you for being a part of this journey with us. It's been so wonderful that with your blessings, your support, and the way you guys have encouraged us, we could achieve this milestone. I promise you that we will try to get as much as good recipes for you, so you can always try the best of the recipes, and mostly very easily. There is no enough of words that I can thank you or my family can thank you. On behalf of K2N family, I would like to thank you each and every one. Until then, love you all.
God bless you.
And my final word to say, adios.